Everyone, John Cora here, McClinton Chevrolet Mitsubishi, and it's a very nasty day here in the Mid-Ohio Valley. And when I woke up this morning, I had some issues with my rear wiper. In fact, the little rubber strip that actually cleanses the window is gone. So I want to show you how easy it is to change the rear wiper on a Mitsubishi Outlander Sport, and this goes for the Outlander as well. First thing I did was went down to our parts department and got a genuine Mitsubishi wiper replacement. No cheap stuff from the auto store, just a genuine Mitsubishi part. It's not very expensive. I think this was like $11, $12 down in our parts department. The price may fluctuate, but it's actually not very expensive whatsoever, and it's the replacement part for this vehicle. So first thing I'm going to do is just open this package, which is very simple. Now, as you can tell, it's a very small blade. And of course, you pull your wiper out. All you have to do is just twist this part back, and then it easily snaps out. And you can see there the wiper blade is missing, so it's useless, especially in a day like today where there's a lot of snow. So then all you have to do is take your new blade, which got a fresh piece of rubber there on it. You see there's a little slot there. All you do is twist it, slide it in, oops, and then you'll hear it snap, and there it goes. It's that simple to change your rear wiper on a Mitsubishi Outlander Sport, and I'll demonstrate how much more effective it is. So, if you have any questions, give us a call, 304-422-6501. Visit us online, McClintonMitsubishi.com.